Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that we have started chapter 13, that is exponents and power, from your maths NCERT. So you also know that we have started exercise 13.1. Question number 1 is over. Now we shall be continuing question number 2 and 3 in this session. So the question is, express the following in exponential form. So this is expressed in a normal form. So we have to convert this number, the given number, the base, into its exponential form. So 6 here is a base, and how many times this 6 is repeated? This 6 is repeated 4 times, right? So it will be converted as 6 to the power 4. So this is an exponential form. Okay. Similarly, in part 2, t into t, how many t you can see 2, so it can be written as t square, right? Or using the rule also we can do this, that is when you have the same base and if there is a multiplication sign, that is rule number 1, right? Then the power will be added. So here what is the power? Power is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Over here also I can do it like this, but no need of using rule in such cases. You can directly count and give the value, that is 1 plus 1 plus, so there are total 4 6 and the power in each is 1. So if you add this, you'll get 6 to the power 4. Okay, so you can use the rule also, you can use the direct method also. Number 3, so b here has got 4b on it, 4 repeated 4 times, so it will be expressed as b to the power 4. Now over here there are the base are different in some cases. So 5 here it is 2, into 7 there is 3. So you can use the rule or the law 1 here, that when you have the same base, 1 plus 1 into 7 here are 3 times repeated, so 5 square into 7 cube shall be written. Oh, okay, so this is the way of doing. Number 5, I request you all to do it yourself. This is your home assignment. Number 6 I am doing right now. Number 6, you can see here that there are 3a, so a cube can be written. There are 1 2 3 4 c, so you can write c to the power 4, and only 1 d, so it can be written as a cube c to the power 4 into d. Okay, we are over with question number 2. Let us now solve question number 3. So compared to question number 2, question number 3 is little bit tricky one, but very knowledgeable, very helpful for your higher class. Okay, so I request you all to listen to this lecture very properly. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. So 512 is the normal number, counting number, right? We have to convert this number into its exponential notation. So how to do that? Using prime factorization technique, that is the LCM. So 2 2s are 4, 1 in hand, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 can be written, 2 1s are 2. Try to convert with the smallest prime factorization only, that is not with 3 directly, not with the biggest number like 5 7. You try to use the smallest prime number and try to repeat that number. If that is not able to divide, suppose 2 is not able to divide, of course you have to proceed with the 3, right? Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 in hand, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 into 2 3s are 2 32s are 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So here you can see, sometime you may use 3 also, but I request you all to use the same number, that is 2 every time. If not, 2 is not able to divide, then you'll go for another prime number. Okay, so 512 can be written as, so how many 2 are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 2s are there, so it can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and one more 10. Let me draw a line here so that you will not get confused. So 2, in your question number 2 you have done how many number of time it is repeated, the power will be that only. So 2, how many number of time it is repeated? 10 times, so 2 to the power 10 is the exponential notation of 512. Okay, extremely sorry, here it will not be 2 to the power 10, it will be 2 to the power 9. there is some mistake in counting I have done. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. One extra 2 I have written. Okay, so this will be 2 to the power 9. All right, so it is 2 to the power 9 is the answer. Similarly, let me erase this part. I hope the concept is clear to everybody. Let us write now 343. So you can see 343 cannot be divided by 2, right? So you have to use another prime number, second highest prime number, second smallest prime number, that is 2 3. So 3 ones are 3. Okay, so if you calculate this, I don't think 3 is going to give the answer. So even 5 will not give the value. Even let us try with the 7. 7 3s are 7, 4s are 28. Now at 9 10 11 12 13 14, 7 9s are 63. So 7 49 is 63. So let me erase from here. Next we have is 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So how many 7s are repeated? 3 7 are repeated, right? So it can be written as 7 to the power 3, right? This is the way of representing any number into its exponential form or notation. Okay, 729, you will do it yourself. So this will be a home assignment. The last one, that is number 4, I'm going to do it right now. So 3125, I don't think 2 is going to give me the value. So let us try with 3. 3 1s are 3. So 1 here, 3 zeros are 3 4s are 12. No, it is not able to divide 3 1 2 5. So let us proceed with 5 only then. 5 6 are 30. 5 2s are 10. Then 5 5s are 25. Yes, 3 1 2 5 is divided by 5, and the question I got is 625. Now 625 should be divided by 5 again. 5 1s are 5, right? Then 1 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 1 25s are 5 25s is 125, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So here our answer is, that is the exponential notation of 3 1 2 5 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. It is 1 2 3 4 5 time. So it will be written as 5 to the power 5. This is the value 3000 for the, this is the way of representing 3125 in exponential notation or exponential form. All right, so I hope you people understood the way I have done, the way I have explained. Kindly go through the video properly, all right, and solve the work in your copy. Having any problem, feel free to share with me. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.